I'm so fast at eating. Got COVID. Oh yeah. Cancel on both friends. What time is it? 6 p.m. Wow. Oh. I had the big wiener, that's right. What is that salad though? No curry plate. Not sure how I feel about the blue cheese sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna stop in. Another refill? Alright. Drink though. They have a Chardonnay, sparkling Chardonnay. .2% alcohol maybe. Hey Sergey, hey mate. Rob blew up, kaboom. Ginger ale? No, it's white wine. Maybe. Hey Sal. Hey Sal, you're still awake. My favorite? I like Frank's. Yeah, they said it's only 2% alcohol. Is this a family restaurant, this place? I call it, yeah, I think it's not 2% though. Hey Lamar. No curry? Sorry.